Hello everyone, my name is Peter Palhazi from Hungary. I'm a plastic surgeon and I'd like to invite you to Florida. From 22 to 24 of November this year, we're gonna have a fantastic preservation rhinoplasty course. So if you are interested in learning preservation rhinoplasty, then this is the place and time you have to come, because all the masters of preservation rhinoplasty will be there, and myself, I'm gonna show you anatomy to have a better understanding of nasal anatomy. So if you want to learn new techniques in preservation or in structural rhinoplasty, I think anatomy is a must to have and must to know. So please join us, come to Florida, 22 to 24 of November. See you there, guys. Bye bye.